I'm gonna make a short little video today. I'll be using the scarfin tip to wash these brackets off. By wash, for those of you that don't know, I mean we're gonna wash those welds out, gouge them out. If you wanna save some money and you're good with the torch, use these scarfin tips. They blow a lot more material out. They're angled, so you can get your torch down in there at the proper angle, blow the welds out. Gotta be careful not to get your base metal too hot. Damage it. I already cut the other one off. As you can see, these brackets are toast. There was no good way to cut the frame off of this, so I had to smoke these brackets to get it off. It was going to be cheaper than all the labor involved to get it off the right way. It's going to be cheaper just to replace these. These are $50, and it'll take me 15 minutes to weld it in versus the 2 hours it would have taken me to cut that frame off the right way. You guys haven't seen that yet, but I'll show it to you in a longer video. But yeah, just a short one today. I'm waiting on material to finish this customer's truck. For whatever reason, it won't be here till Wednesday. It's hard to get a driver out to these parts. Yeah, gonna clean her up. That way, whenever he decides what he wants to do with his trailer, we don't worry about none of this stuff. It's all already cleaned up, ready to go. As you can tell, I got my respirator on. We're gonna be cutting through some paint or whatever else is on here. And after doing this for a while, I get really tired of breathing that crud in. It's not good for you. Shave years off your life, heal you. Let's get to it. Nothing to it but to do it. Cheesy dad life right there. See that? Okay. Didn't get into the base metal at all. That top edge, that weld went a lot deeper. So the bracket was already screwed anyway, so I cut into the bracket. Normally, if I had to save both parts, I wouldn't have done that. It was easier, faster. Who cares? So, yeah, now we're just gonna grind that out, clean it up, and if the customer wants to put some hinge brackets back on, or the mounting surface is already cleaned, and we can just weld them back on, no problem. These scarfin tips are pretty handy, cheap. Just gotta get good with a torch. And not as clean as like an arc gouger, obviously, but if you already got a torch set up, it's a lot more cost effective and not nearly as loud. Anyone that's ever ran one knows how loud they are. Yeah, that's it. Short video today. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.